doing what we do best, folks, right here, the Bentwater 7 Hills area. I tell you, it's absolutely amazing what we're able to do to an existing landscape. We're able to come in and give it an outdoor landscape transformation by not only solving your problem, but giving you an outdoor landscape that you couldn't have even possibly dreamed of. That's what we've done for this customer. We built this beautiful boulder wall. We put in this beautiful dry creek bed. We've also added about 7 crab orchard steps in order to help the customer move around on their landscape. But it's just what we've become accustomed to. And I tell you, we go from house to house to house, to customer to customer to customer, completely transforming the landscape, putting in outdoor landscape transformations that are going to last a lifetime. And that's right, folks, I do mean a lifetime. Now, this all started after we had finished this customer's property about 2 months ago. We came in, we put in this beautiful dry creek bed in Zion Zoysia sod. We also did a beautiful paver patio where we were able to satisfy the customer's need. And then that customer was so happy that in turn, they wanted to tell the friends and family and even their neighbor about our services. And so that's where we found ourselves in this backyard. And I tell you, if you look at the videos from when we first started, folks, we've absolutely transformed this entire landscape, giving this customer back their landscape, but most importantly, putting them in a position where they'll be able to utilize it going forward for a lifetime. And that's right, folks, I do mean a lifetime. We're not that company that's going to come out, do a job, got to come back out again, do it again, do it again, do it again. No. That's not us. We're going to come out, we're going to do the job right the first time, and we're most importantly going to put the customer in a position to where they understand that the quality of our service is unparalleled to anything that you're going to find. And that's the quality that we've always been able to provide for our customers. That's what we're going to always do each and every time. And that's what we've always been satisfied in doing. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to continue to do that. We're going to continue to give our customers more quality and more quantity of service than that of what's expected. And I just wanted you guys to see that for yourself. And most importantly, understand that this is something that we've become accustomed to. Let's walk real quick, just make sure ain't no spot. It's on there pretty thick though. Yeah, it's on there pretty thick. How many more we got?
A yard maybe.